I still remember the day vividly, the day I decided to turn vegetarian. A cocktail of curiosity, health consciousness, and a dash of compassion stirred within me. It wasn't an overnight change, but a deliberate choice, a commitment to myself and the world around me. And so began my journey into a whole new world of food, compassion, and self-discovery. In the days and weeks that followed, I started to notice some incredible changes. My energy levels skyrocketed, I managed my weight more effectively, and even certain health conditions improved. Being vegetarian wasn't just about food anymore. It was about feeling healthier, happier, more vibrant. Little did I know this was just the beginning. I discovered a world of flavors I'd never known before. Going vegetarian wasn't about eliminating foods, but about embracing new ones. It was like traveling to different countries right in my kitchen. From hearty lentil stews to vibrant beetroot salads, my kitchen had turned into a playground of flavors and creativity. But it wasn't just about the food, it was about something much bigger. Embracing vegetarianism opened my eyes to the ethical and environmental implications of our food choices. It deepened my connection with animals and our shared environment, fostering personal growth and a heightened awareness. Going vegetarian wasn't just a diet change, it was a lifestyle change. I wasn't alone in this journey, and that made all the difference. The camaraderie in vegetarian meetups, the shared wisdom in forums, the collective efforts and initiatives. Together, we were making a difference, one meal at a time. So here I am today, healthier, happier, and more aware. The power of vegetarianism has been transformative. If it resonates with your values, explore this path. Thank you for joining me on this journey. Remember, every choice makes a difference.